Daniel Kimbunda somo igoyoyo maiga yokoba sobo koreri una omorokia omonene hase egeka kimyaka 35 ebere mwarimu monne weskuru ya Tombe yegi Adventista mebunge ya Kitutu Masabe County enyamira sireta Bruce Kirage nigati mukire kuru asemeremo nigobonekere kyo habarai au baikirana bakorogwa no mokonyi bumugachi wiki amakia bari mukianat Kennedy Nyamwanda oyokuriya ekerogo kyabangina county enyamira Mary Migiro oyokuriya ekerogo kyobojumbe nsemo bunge ya West Mugirango Rogers Muturi nigobona sobwamo bamuchiri abana siasa abagenda tegosona na sector yechisemi
nasomo yegabo gotumukanga ku mwarimu omonene bw'eskuru yegi Adventista ya Tombe yegotoka ase bunge ya Kitutu Masabe ya Nyamira asa Marieta Bruce Kirage oyuobeire konyo mwarimu ase myaka 35 nebere ase Kirage kerekereire obuyabori ikiraniriane na magendero ao
biyamono kegemaseri baga ensoko TV njasa Marieta ngoro kwa Bruce kinara Kirage anaturene tio bwalimu kore University ya Kenyatta finished 1990 ngali kwa bwalimu Nyakongo High School before I proceeded with Nyakeole and finally this is my third school, Tombe Mixed Secondary School, and this is where I'm retiring from now. We also managed to improve the school academically because at one stage in 2021, we had an 100% transition from secondary to university. All of them went, the 152 students who sat for the examination that year. And in the same year, we managed to take position 1 in the category of sub-county schools in Kenya.
Asesemo ye amate nabo igo boteneri bw'eskuru eyo nigo kerekyo bwereire obuye konyora bwabekirwe no mwarimu yego monene oyu obekeretwe gutwa no murayi bwense aso mwaka 2022
okorire gasingia otigire legacy maega because abana bange ba benefited from oburayi bwaya. I'm very proud of him. Nasaye tumuga komya nabongo gete. He has a lot of friends. In fact, abana banga abanyari ko bakagosomya abari kigasi yawo
cichenji aletre chinene kabisa. Mwalimu toko gusabira amaya soko genda ranyi oletre emoreri atu you awakened us.
Munchengune sokoro yaye obeire kagonsira asama tukamatambe.
The principal, Matuka Vera Make, but he has achieved a lot, especially as Amangana Yamafunsa Classime, Amangana management and Amangana administration. Ne dream yokorangi school ya beire a boarding school.
Kati ya barayibekira nawo namono yokoriye kiro kyoboteni bwa basubati Nyamira musubati Mary Migiro aserero obuya bwo kubeka abosyo borayi asti school nabo yokuyeka oborayi obuya ase kiro kyoboteni bwa basubati Nyamira
twabene tweruto chenji Nyamira yaito toyere ni ese map toyebeke nga Nyamira nere korrekana bune account okore gasi abasubati bagokora bakwigweka ase egasi eri bagokora neri ogiri yabo likwike se account level na alia ese national government na nenko batena mombu atisi asoro gendo twokoriye keruge kya Nyamira amangana mbwata na amange ngo kigokorera Nyamira nerure na nkoro yane yonsi kokore gasi na abana baito abaiseke youths abana baito bali bamenyete no barema wao abatakanwa nebyombe wao
asoyo koriye kerogo kyobo seneta uyobo Igoro Mokonyi bwo mugachi ase ekyombe yo kwigera bari mwega Kenya Kianat Kennedy Nyamwanda nabo igo yokoriya kerogo kyobo jumbe bwa West Mugirango Mosque Rogers Muturi nigekere bamochirie abana siasa babeire bagoswana na chisemi aiga Nyamira
abantu mwegasimo kore school ningia. But there is one thing unionist. We don't condone politicians interfering with education institutions. Again, to kia wera Bruce Konyakewore, ndogia adetino nasini. Wana siasa mwetwa yubirogo, utakomnyokia wali mchiskuru weta. Take it from me. We didn't take it lightly, and at the right time we shall revenge. Omo tokora Bruce Konyakewore, 2027 yaike next year, of course, but we don't condone it. Kwa walimu baba unene pia, kwa walimu pia, na ndio itaperforming principle.
Na akire gusaba amabera. Esa uliyobora yobobe. Principle. Agaseri kubobesana. Na kinarra na inche tigangi chegaiga. Ntelele n'abantu bagaiga. Na ninde kubatebiga. Omwalimu oyo lero yomo bwangete na tokoleta kibasikia CDF na nojibwatiko nyuma
korwa ase skuru ya secondary ya Adventista ya Tumbe iyo kutoka imase bunge ya Kituma Sabeme county ya Nyamira. Ingo reporter ya Nsoko TV rietela Nyariki Steven Embunde.